If you've accidentally deleted important WhatsApp messages on your iPhone and need to get them back, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, let's check if you have an iCloud backup that includes the deleted WhatsApp messages. Open Settings on your iPhone, tap on your name and tap on iCloud. Next, tap on Manage Storage, then go to Backups and choose your iPhone. Check if WhatsApp is listed and if it was included in your last backup. If you have a backup that includes your WhatsApp messages, you need to restore your iPhone from that backup. To do this, go to Settings, then on General, then tap on Reset and select Erase All Content and Settings. Confirm the action and your iPhone will restart. Follow the on-screen instruction to set up your iPhone and choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Select the backup that contains your WhatsApp messages. Once your iPhone is set up, open WhatsApp. You'll be prompted to restore your chat history from iCloud. Tap Restore Chat History to recover your deleted messages. And that's all there is to it. Now you have learned how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages on your iPhone.